Here we are, another TV exclusive bakugan. It's been a while since I've drawn one of these. Looks like this one is named Amazon. This guy is Preyas's apprentice. Never really thought about how I'm drawing this. Important thing is I got to draw this guy. He first showed up in Mectanium Surge. When you're drawing him, just draw like a salamander-like head. And these parts here, they're like Blast Eliko's chest. Here's his chest. Here is his tail. Here's his tail. Shoot. Oh well, just leave it like that. There we are. There we are. There we are. Now let's draw the spikes. And done. There he is. Shoot, forgot to draw this part of his tail. And done. That's how you draw Amazon. Huh, 4 minutes. Didn't expect it to be that long. Let's say, I bet I can break another record if I keep drawing something like this. Who do you think it would be the hardest to draw Bakugan? What do you guys think? Post a comment on what Bakugan is the hardest to draw. And I'll get to it. I'll draw that for you guys. You guys tell me. What can I say? I'm a fan of the series. Anyway, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. And check out every other Bakugan-related episode. I saw that my series Bakugan playlist became a hit. And I've got more like this coming soon. Farewell, guys.